Alright guys, so we're here working on this 2018 Honda CR-V. We're going to be doing the fog lights now. It's very easy to work with. They actually made a little hole here or gap where you can just push up and it'll allow you to get to the bulb. All you have to do is remove these two trim clips, alright? I like to use this trim remover. It helps a lot. All you gotta do is just pretty much get in between it, pull them out, and just pop out. This one fell out because I already loosened it up. And it's just two to get to it, alright? And all you do now is just push this flap up, and you should be able to access the bulb from the back. Just like the low beams, they're held on by a push clip connector. So push that in, loosen it, counterclockwise to remove, and the bulb comes out, okay? So we're gonna put that to the side. These use the H11s. We're gonna be using the LS H11s in here as well. And we're gonna install this the same way, okay? So it's a little bit more difficult here because you can't see the actual cables to tell if it's connected correctly. So what you're gonna have to do is get someone to help you out so they can light it up for you. If it turns on, then you're good. If it doesn't, then just disconnect it, flip the connector over, and reconnect again. And as you see guys, I got lucky this time, got it on the first shot. But if it doesn't, simply just disconnect it, flip it over, and reconnect again, and you should be good to go. So if we can show the whole front right now, so you can show you how it looks with both the headlights, the low beams with the LS H11s, and fog lights LS H11.